In this video, we will discuss about how to connect two computers using packet tracer. For that, in this packet tracer, we will take the end devices, we will drag and drop two PC in the workspace. So as these two PC belongs to the same devices, let's connect the copper crossover cable. Keep the cable over the PC. Click Fast Ethernet. Then in the second PC, click the PC, click Fast Ethernet. Now both the computers are physically connected. Then to connect them logically, we should assign the IP address. So for that today, I would like to assign the IP address 192.168.2.2 with a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. It's a class C IP address. Similarly, for this PC, we will assign 192.168.2.3 with a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. So let's begin the configuration. Let's go to PC 0, desktop, IP configuration. In the IP address, let us type 192.168.2.2, and if you click the tab button, automatically the subnet mask appears. So make sure the subnet mask is correct and close the PC window. Then come to PC 1, desktop, IP configuration. Here 192.168.2.3. Press tab to get the subnet mask. Make sure that the subnet mask is correct, and then close the IP configuration window and PC configuration window. Now if you just hover the mouse over the device, we will get the IP address configuration and also get a notification that the link is up. Similarly, we will also check for PC 0. Yes, the IP address is set. Now let us ping from PC 0 to PC 1. For that, click the PC, go to the command prompt. The command that we are going to use is ping 192.168.2.3. So now as the connection is correct, we were able to get the reply from PC 1. We will also ping the other way from PC 1 to PC 0. So click the PC 1 command prompt and here ping 192.168.2.2. So now we were able to get the reply from the other side. So this is how we will connect both the computers using packet tracer. Now we will see how to connect 4 computers in a LAN environment. For that, press Ctrl the device and place as much as device in the workspace. To connect all the 4 computers, we will go for a switch. So click Network Devices, Switch. In that, click PT switch and place it in the workspace. Then click the connections, and here as these both are different layer devices, we will go for straight through cable. So click the PC, Fast Ethernet, and click the switch, Fast Ethernet 0/1. Similarly, we will click here Fast Ethernet and to the switch Fast Ethernet 1.1, 2.1 to this PC, then 3.1 to this PC. Now we have to assign IP address to all the computers. So for that, let us click the PC, desktop, IP configuration. So we will assign 192.168.2.2 and close it. Similarly, let us come to this computer, IP configuration 192.168.2.3. So close it. So once you close it, it is automatically saved. Desktop, IP configuration 192.168.2.4. Then coming here to this PC, desktop 192.168.2.5. Close it and again close it. Now the network is fully connected and it is functional. We will ping from, we will hover the mouse 2.2, 2.3, 2.4 and 2.5. So let's just click this PC and ping 2.5. Click the PC, command prompt. We'll come here, ping 192.168.2.5. So as the network is correctly connected and it is functional, we were able to get a reply from 2.5 computer. Packet sent is 4, received is 4, and there is no loss. As it is a custom, ping also returns minimum time, maximum time, and the average delay, round trip delay experienced by the ping packet. Similarly, we can also test from this computer to 2.2 command prompt ping 192.168.2.2. So here also it is functioning well. So ping is a command line tool which helps us to check the connectivity, if the connectivity of the network is well. So now it is understood that the connectivity is well established.